What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Here with you, as always, I'm the People's Champ of Wall Street, the bearded boy wonder, Dave Bartosiak. And today, my friends, we could call this a whole lot of nada, because there's basically a whole lot of nada that's happening today, okay? It's going to be a lot of just kind of sit and wait to see what happens. Nothing expiring tomorrow. All of it's next week. Few of them have been hit by the huge spike down or spike up in volatility, spike down in the market. So it's not the prettiest, but it's not terrible. So let's start going through these one by one. The first is a bullish call spread on Las Vegas Sands, ticker LVS. We were long the Feb 16, 77.80 call spread for $1.30 net debit. That looked great last week before the market pretty much crashed. Max profit with LVS over $80 per share. Well, now this thing's trading worthless because LVS is down under 72. Pretty much everything went down dramatically as the Dow was down 1,500 points intraday the other day. Seems like every day we look up, we're down 500 points. That's killing the stock market here. In terms of individual plays, anything bullish is getting beat up. So here, all we really can do is hold in the hopes that this market rubber bands back, because we're really kind of prisoners of circumstance here. The whole market went down. Well, what are you going to do on your options plays? You're going to lose. Bullish call spread on AMD in the same boat. We were long the Feb 16, 13, 14.50 call spread for a 53-cent net debit. Max profit with AMD over 14.50. Well, again, this thing is trading worthless after this market dropped. AMD is down at like 12 bucks, even lower. Looking pretty ugly. So what can you do? All you can do here is hold in the hopes that something ticks up, the market bounces back a little bit. Maybe if they pass this budget deal soon, I saw the bill pass the Senate. If it passes the House, gets signed into law, we can avoid the shutdown. I think everything is going to be a lot better. Bullish put spread on Alibaba. Same scenario here, folks. We were short the Feb 16, 192.50, 190 put spread for a 64-cent net credit. Max profit with Alibaba over $192.50. Everything was going swimmingly until the market really started to sell off aggressively. Now this spreads all the way up to 228 with Alibaba under $1.72. So here again, we can hold or just go ahead. If you want to take the L, take the L. I wouldn't be mad at you. Hoping that the market can really accelerate to the upside. We need some good news here. We're not getting any good news, and the market is not helping us out. But there is some good news, I suppose, is we did have some bearish calls. So a bearish call spread on Starbucks. Short the Feb 16, 61.62 call spread for a 56-cent net credit. Max profit with Starbucks under $61. Well, this is a good kind of worthless because Starbucks is at 56 bucks. This was a credit spread. You want these to be worthless. That means we had a max gain. So there's a victory here on Starbucks. All you have to do is hold on for the max gain. So a little bit of sunshine there. Finally, then the more recent plays, an iron condor on Tesla. So here, short the March 9th, 360, 362.50 call spread and the 295, 290 put spread for a 214 net credit. Max profit with Tesla between 295 and 360. Well, this is good news. The spread's down at $1.40 right now. Tesla's at 326, right there in the middle of our range. If it stays in this range up until March 9th, guess what? We're going to be max winners. So let's just go ahead and hold it right now, see what's happening with the rest of the market. Again, hopefully Tesla keeps going sideways. I think it's going to be okay. Then the bullish put spread on Amazon. Same story where we're short the Feb 16, 13.40, 13.37.50 put spread, 57 cents net credit. Max profit with Amazon over 13.40. Despite the market punishing everything, Amazon is up at 13.80. So the spread's trading at $1. So don't freak out. We really don't have to do anything. I don't think. I think we just go ahead and hold on. As long as Amazon stays here, everything is going to be just fine. So that's the good news. That the recent trades that we've put on are looking kind of good. Remember, after the bell tonight, it's going to be NVIDIA. We'll see what happens with them tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central. It is Dave's morning after. So we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what happened in NVIDIA, see what the market's doing, give you some short-term trade ideas that you guys can carry on into the weekend. So don't miss that. Again, 9 a.m. Central. I'll be shooting out that email later on today so that you can all check it out. That's all I got for you here today on The Good, The Bad, and The Ugly with the Zach's Live Trader. I will see you all mañana. Have a good one.
Sind dir wohl bekannt, ich mein, sie fährt ja U-Bahn auch. Dort singen's Radine dumm. Schau, schau, der Kommissar